Welcome to Kreative TV. Join us as we give you a short tour of a Cedar Hallow cabin here at Hillside Country Cabin in Rapid City, South Dakota. Perfectly located for your Black Hills adventure, nestled between Keystone, Hill City, Rockerville, and Rapid City, Hillside Cabins provide the perfect home base for exploring the beauty of the Black Hills. The cabin offers a full bathroom, a well-equipped kitchen, and inviting outdoor features such as comfortable seating, along with access to a shared fire pit and outdoor games. Surrounded by a peaceful, natural setting with frequent wildlife sightings, it is a tranquil mountain getaway conveniently located near Mount Rushmore, Keystone, Hill City, and Custer State Park. Amenities are as followed: air conditioning, barbecue utensils, board games, body soap, carbon monoxide detector, coffee-tea maker, conditioner, cooking basic, dining area, dining table, essentials, fire extinguisher, fire pit, first aid kit, free parking, free Wi-Fi, games, hairdryer, hangers, heating, hot water, internet, kitchen, linens, microwave, mountain view, fire pit, pack and play travel crib, pets allowed, refrigerator, shampoo, shower, smart TV, smoke detector, suitable for children, suitable for infants, toilet, towels, TV, wine glasses.
Streetlights flicker and the crowds ignite, dancing shadows caught in the city's light. From rooftops high to the bustling scenes, every story spins like the truth in our dreams. Passion-driven, chasing that thrill, live for the moment,